Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will look at the Perfmon option and how you can monitor the resource governor. Since we are not in live database, it will not be possible to see how the resources are consumed. So it will be useful in your production database when the database is highly loaded with multiple user and other heavy duty process. Now let's go to the demo. So here in the startup menu, type Perfmon to load performance monitor. So it loads the performance monitor. So click on this performance monitor, and there is a processor time, right? We will delete that. So at present there is no counter here. Click on this plus sign, and we will search for SQL Server. So here you can see SQL Server resource pool status. So when you expand it, you can see some of the parameters. So CPU usage, and once you click CPU usage, it will list all the available resource pool. So we know that default, internal, these are all used by SQL Server. So internal is used by the SQL Server itself, and if resources or incoming request is not assigned to any resource pool, that will go and sit in the default resource pool, and this is the one which we created. So CPU usage and my resource pool, we will add it. Then we will look for memory. So memory grant and memory grant timeout, we can use both, right? You can even use other stuff also, but this is the one we configured, and you can click OK here. So when there are multiple sessions, and if they are claiming the resource from our resource pool, here is my resource pool, and here you can see my resource pool, and the CPU and memory usage will be shown here. So this is one way of monitoring the resource, and this will be useful in a real-time production database. Alright, now let's do the cleanup activity. So I will create a new query window. We will have master, and even if it is not master, when you use master, the database will be changed to master. Here alter resource governor with classifier function equal to null. So at present resource governor is running, right? So what we can do, first we will disable it. Then we will set classifier function as null. So here we are dropping the classifier function. So the classifier function is deleted. Now we are enabling the resource governor. Now resource governor is not dependent on this classifier function, and we also dropped our classifier function. It's time to delete the workload group. And delete the resource pool. So it gave error but still deleted our resource pool. So once I restarted the machine, and when I restarted the SQL Server, the reconfigure pending option is gone. Now we can disable the resource governor and leave with the default. So that's all here in this video. Now we are ending the SQL Server course, and we will start a new course in the coming days. That's all here. Thank you for watching. Bye.